Hi friends, today we are going to see second method, that is time and work method 2. Okay, last video I teach you time and work method 1. Now I am going to teach you time and work method 2. Okay, actually maximum possible questions in TNPC only I teaching you. Okay, here in this model, last model you see that questions, it's very easy. I told you some tricks to solve the problem in method 1. Here also I am going to say some tricks for you. Okay, it is easy to solve the problem for you. Okay, this is the method time and work method 2. Okay, now we are going to solve the problem one by one. Here in this model method 2, they ask first of all we see I will tell you one small tricks for you. You use here in this model MDT divided by others. That is in question, in this model of questions time and work, in this model of question, in this method, when you saw in the questions, if they will give men, days, time. Okay, here for example in this question they give 8 workers, that is men. Okay, 24 days, that is day. Okay, here here men, M is a men, D is a date, T is a time. If you saw in the questions like this, means men, days, time, means you put that value, that is you multiply that value in numerator. Okay, in numerator you multiply whatever they give, whatever number they give. If they ask men or days or time, you multiply that values in the numerator. Okay, others value, if they give some other value, means you put it in the denominator. Okay, this is a small tricks I tell you for this question, easy to solve. Okay, this is, otherwise input divided by output. Most of us, I think this is the easy for you to understand. Okay, okay, you take this method. Okay, this method of trick. Okay, okay, now we are going to solve the problem one by one. Maximum I give a possible questions and possible models only I given to you. Okay, okay friends, now we are going to solve one by one. In this question, first question they give, first of all I read the question. If 8 workers can complete a work in 24 days, then 24 workers can complete the same work in how many days? Okay, they ask 24 workers complete the same work in how many days they complete the work. Okay, they ask the same work how many days they complete. Okay, they ask. Okay, I told you, no, men, days, time, you put in the numerator. Here 8 workers, that is 8 men, so you put 8 into then the work is 24 days, so 24. Okay, equal to this. In this problem, before I'm going to solve, I tell one thing for you. Last method, in last method of time and work, you solve A and B together, that is A plus B, that is together they ask. No, here in this problem you equal the method. Okay, that is here equal model, that is in this model it is equal the sum, other, that means equal before the question, you divide the question before the sum, after the sum, so you equal that model, this model. Okay, that is, I will show you. Here 8 workers, no, here they give 8 workers, so I told you MDT by others. Okay, now we are going to solve. That is 8 into 24 equal to, what they give, you divide the problem equal to, okay, I told you no. Then 24 workers can complete the same work in how many days, they ask. Okay, here you put 24 equal to 24. So 24 cancel, here 8, no, 8 is the answer. They 24 workers can complete the same work in 8 days. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay, second question. Shall we move on to the second question? You clearly understand, you use this trick, that is MDT, that is main. Here I explained, here I put it written here itself. M is a main, D is a days, T is a time, divided by others. You actually split the problem. Okay, in this method you just split the problem before and after equal. Before the equal and after the equal. This is a before the equal, this is a after the equal. So it is very easy to solve. You using my tricks means it is very easy for you. Okay, shall we move on to the second question? If 18 men can do a work in 20 days, then 24 men can do the same work in how many days 24 men can do the same work? Okay, in this question also you put what? Same thing you used, same tricks you are going to use. MDT divided by others equal to what? Here 18 men, that is 18 into 20 days. Okay, 24 men can do the same work in how many days? Equal to 24. Okay, shall we simplify this? Okay, 3 is okay, this is 5 is 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. Okay, 5 is so you get a 15 days is a answer. 15 days is a answer for this question. Use that small trick MDT by others. Okay, first of all you divide the problem equal. This is a equal, before equal, after equal. You split the problem. You use this small tricks to solve this problem. It's very easy to solve this problem. Okay, shall we move on to the next problem? Okay, in this problem I read the problem. If 14 compositors can compose 70 pages of a book in 5 hours, okay, how many compositors will compose 100 pages of this book in 10 hours? Okay, in 10 hours how many compositor will compose the 100 pages? Okay, they ask how many compositors will compose the 100 pages. Okay, here they give 70 pages. 14 compositors compose the 70 pages of a book in 5 hours. Okay, now we are going to solve this problem using our tricks. Okay, I told you no, that tricks only here I am going to use. That is MDT. Here is a men, that is 14 compositors into, here is the time. Okay, this is a output. I told you no, input divided by output. So here is the output, 70 pages. 14 compositors can compose the 70 pages. Okay, this is a time. So in 5 hours. So output, that is output means 70 equal to, here they give how many compositor will compose 100 pages of this book in 10 hours. So hours time also are put in the numerator. Okay, then this is a output, so we put 100 in the denominator. So cancel it, cancel, you will get a answer 10. 10 is the answer. Okay, 10 compositors will compose the 100 pages. Okay, this is the answer for this question using my small tricks. Okay, MDT divided by others, that is input divided by output. Okay, you use by any one thing. Okay, next we are move on to the next questions. Actually, this fourth questions I give you for to solve. Okay, you use the tricks to solve this problem. You just try this problem to solve. Okay, you just try. Okay, next, fifth question. 7 men working in 9 hours a day can do a piece of work in 30 days. Okay, in how many days will 10 men working for 7 hours a day do the same work? Using the same tricks only you are going to use for this problem also. 7 men they give, then 9 hours time, that is work in 30 days. So 30 into 30 equal to, in how many days will 10 men working for 7 hours? 10 into 7. Okay, this is a men. So you put a 10 in numerator into 7. This is a time. Okay, you cancel the 7 and the 10s are 3s are. So 9 3s are 27. Okay, 27 is the answer for this question. 27 is the answer for this question. Just you use that same tricks, MDT tricks, okay, by others. That is important output. Okay, shall we move on to the next problem, next type of problem? Actually, what I did for you, what I given for you, these questions are the model for this time and work method too. Okay, it is a possible questions, possible models only I am giving to you. Okay, okay, this sixth question also for you. You just try these questions to solve this problem using what I told you, know some tricks. You use the tricks to solve. Okay, you just try. Okay, next we are going to solve the next model of this time and work method 2. Okay, A can finish a job in 20 days. A can finish a job in 20 days. B can complete it in 30 days. They work together and finish the job. Okay. If rupees 600 is paid a wage, then the share of the A and B. Here they ask. Actually, in before method 1, in method 1, they give a and B together. Okay. In this problem, we can use a one idea. Okay, in this method you use some tricks, different tricks. Okay, here they give A and B. Okay, you just write A and B, 20 plus 30. Okay, here they give together, no, so we add that two value, we will get a 50. And then here they give some wages, that is 600. Okay, they give a 600. In this problem, you whatever number they give for this model, whatever number they give, you use this same tricks for all the problems, all the problem of this model. Okay, you just plus the two given value, you just plus add it, you will get a 50. Here you will get a 50. They give A is a 20, B is a 30, so you will get a 50 answer. Okay, next step is, here they give wages, no, 600 rupees. Okay, when how much, then the share of the A and B we are going to find. Share of the A and B is going to find. Okay, here they give 600 rupees wages. So if they give a wages means you just put it in a numerator, you just divide it. Okay, divide the number with what they give, A and B, you just divide that number. Okay, here they give 600 rupees, then A and B value is 50, so you cross it, you will get a 12. Okay, next step is this is a first step, this is a second step. Okay, you use this tricks for this model of question. Okay, whatever they give a number, you just use the same tricks. Okay, now we are going to find the shares of A and B. Okay, here we find a 12, no? For 12 into 20. For 12 into 20. A value is 20. So 12 into 20, 240 we will get. Then B value is 30. So 12 into 30 we will get a 360. So here is some small twist is here. 360 comma 240 is the correct answer, because here the A is going to finish his job in 20 days itself, but B is complete it in 30 days. So he has a efficiency to finish a job, that is A has a efficiency to finish a job in 20 days itself when compared to B. Okay, B can complete that same job in 30 days. So we compare that A and B efficiency. Then A and B efficiency. So here A get 360. According to efficiency only they give a share. Okay, so more share to A, more then B. 360 is for A, 240 is for B, because the efficiency of A is more than the B. Okay, that's why we write like this. Okay, this is the answer. That is 360 and 240 is the answer. Using this same tricks you use for this model of question. Okay. Okay. Again I tell you, don't get confused. They give A and B value. Okay. In the question. They ask together, they do the finish the work. Okay. So we add that value. 20 plus 30 equal to 50. Then they give a wages. Okay, if they give a wages means you just divide it with what we will get the answer from A and B. We add no that value, you divide that wages. Okay, you get a 12. So now we are going to multiply with A finishing the A value and B value with 12. We will get a share of the A and B. Okay, this is a model, this is a tricks we are going used in this model of question. Okay. Okay, shall we move on to the next question? Okay, this question is for you to try, just you try this question. Okay, you just try this question to solve this problem. Okay, you just try the same method only, you just try this question. Okay. Okay, next, this is a problem, we solve the problem. Okay, these are all the problem, time and the work method 2, these are all the problem. You try to understand, just use that small tricks, MDT divided by others. Okay, this is my tricks for this method true. Okay, you use it, you just use my tricks, you consume your time in examination. So you just try, I given 2 questions, 2 or 3 questions for you in this question. Okay, you just try using this tricks. Okay, thank you.